All right, well, I hope you enjoyed that short little video. I sure did. I could sit by a river or a stream like that and just listen to that all day. So I just want to give you guys a little taste of what's coming up on a future video. And my apologies, normally on Saturday mornings, I like to have a full video put together. But part of where that river video came from is why I don't have a video together. So I was going to take a one-night camping trip, and then it turned into 2 nights. And it was basically 3 full days, and I covered a lot of ground, saw a lot of neat places, got a lot of awesome shots, and I'm really excited to put that together so you guys can also see it, and learned a lot of new things on that trip as well. So it was all around, it was a really cool trip, but time got away from me. I was hoping to have a video ready, but I didn't have the opportunities like I thought I would to sit down and put something together. But I wanted to upload something anyways. And who doesn't love listening to a babbling brook, a roaring river, whatever it is, some waterfalls? I enjoy it, so I hope you guys did. Make sure you guys subscribe so you can get notified when that new video comes out about my trip, which might be next week or the following week. Leave a comment. Let me know what's one of your favorite places just to sit and relax, and what sounds do you enjoy hearing. And if you enjoyed this video, I would love if you just liked it. That would be awesome. So thank you for watching. If you stuck around till the very end here, thanks for watching this, and I will see you guys on the next one. Hope you have a great day. Take care, and God bless.